Hello and welcome to a new video in which I always bring new platforms with which you will be earning money in a fairly simple way. The truth is that they are excellent pages to start earning a few extra dollars each month. You have to keep in mind that they are to generate extra dollars, not so much to become a millionaire or anything like that. But believe me, it will be a very good opportunity to start earning. In addition to the fact that doing so is quite simple and anyone can start practically from anywhere in the world, I recommend that you see the complete video so that you do not miss a single detail, and you do start generating money online in a fairly simple way. The first page that we are going to be using is Offer Nation there. The truth is that I have made less money, but honestly I have not been very active. This would really be like the sister or cousin of the first page that I am going to show you, or the page in the first place with which I have withdrawn much more. Although the basis is the same, we have different options to start when, for example, if we give here on Patreons, we're going to see the surveys first. Here we have pretty good opportunities which are going to pay us quite easily. Obviously there are going to be opportunities that pay more than others, and others are going to pay less, but the time they require, the truth is that it is very little. For example, we have this one with just 4 minutes. It is going to give us 27 cents. Now it may seem very little, it may seem like a good amount depending on how much time you dedicate to it. For example, it is only 4 minutes. In 5 minutes, you would be earning your 27 cents on the dollar, which is a very good way to. Now, if you want to dedicate a little more time and earn a little more, we have opportunities like this, 17 minutes, and those are the ratings that the users have given, so you can be quiet. I am sure that there are many users who are responding and who are earning money with this survey. So it is a very good opportunity for you to start too. I recommend that you always start with the 5-star ones, since, for example, these surveys are usually the most popular, and these are here in CP and research. I can't find it. Let's see, we can find it here in daily service, although it is supposed to be here mark search. It is here. Look at CP research. Yes, since they are the most popular, obviously, well, they are going to highlight them now. As I said, here we can see the ratings in more detail, and in addition to how many users have rated it, 10 users. Keep in mind that this minutes is a somewhat strange translation, since, well, basically it is minutes, and 17 minutes says users have given it 5 stars. 17 minutes, 13 stars, good 5, but out of 3 users, we have other options like these, and as you see, the truth is that there are several opportunities, obviously opportunities that are paying very well, like this one. The truth is that they are presented quite rarely, but for example, if you only want to spend half an hour on some surveys, you could take this one, and you could take something like this one. I always remind you, take the ones that take less time and pay more, but make sure they have a good rating. In fact, instead of this one, I would take this, and practically in 30 minutes you would be earning $4. How good in some countries? The truth is that it represents a very good income. 30 minutes of your time for $4 is an excellent opportunity. Obviously, if you dedicate more time to it, for example, if you already were leaving for the full hour, you can complete this one and this one here, and with that you will be earning your $5. Well, we would still have a little bit of time left for this one, and now we are a little over $5 in 1 hour of work. And I suppose that with that you could leave the day, and although if you want to continue working, you can do it, and we already have the pennies here, and we can grab another one, for example this, and that's it, another half hour, hour and a half, and we will be talking about $6. As I told you, it is a very good way in which you are going to participate. Yes, it is not like they are going to accept you in all the surveys, but for example, you can answer that you have children. I recommend that you say that you have 2, that you are between 25 and 35 years old, that you have a level medium, high, or even high socioeconomic level, that you work in an area of marketing, advertising, or technology, and that is more than enough to be accepted in most surveys. Obviously, it is not infallible since companies look for different profiles, but the truth is that sometimes it has worked quite well for me to answer those kinds of questions with those kinds of answers. We have the wall software where, well, basically you are going to install an application. Now, I don't usually like this one so much since, for example, if you have to meet certain requirements, and it can be much longer unlike surveys, because although there are times when they pay much more, and we are talking about they could even pay you $40 for a single app, the truth is that reaching the minimum withdrawal amount or reaching the points necessary for it, it's going to take you months, so the truth is that I don't see it as convenient. But in any case, there are pretty good opportunities depending on whether you use a desktop computer, Android or iOS device. surprise us. There are some that are quite easy to tell the truth. For example, you register at Burger King Mexico, activate the notifications, and that's it. But there are others like this that I tell you that do require a little more things. For example, reach level 101 in 5 days, 207, 412, and as you can see, it does hit a good number of points, but you have to complete all the tasks in 13 days, which means you will have to dedicate a lot of time to it. That's what the pay is. Well, yes, relatively good. There are other opportunities with which you can also be earning, and look, we have all of these which are better than others depending on which one you are taking, but in any case, they are very good opportunities to start earning. Now you can also earn by referrals. Well, basically it is inviting your friends or by contests, the withdrawal options. The truth is that they are quite simple. You can withdraw through PayPal, and once you reach, for example, a certain amount of withdrawals, they enable you to use instant PayPal. What is the difference between these two? This one can take up to 8 hours for the money to arrive, and this one, you practically click on it and the money is already arriving. There are others. Options like Skrill so that you can also receive your dollars. The minimum withdrawal amount in these two is just $1. In this one, we are already talking about $8. And well, the other platform is about Super Pay Point. To me, as I say, it would be the sister or the Offer Nation bonus. The difference is that here I have won much more, in addition to the fact that the page has also paid several $1 million. But the premise is quite simple. It is practically the same as the previous one. As you see here, I have won with 21, and I have 40 points, which I can change by simply clicking here on Convert Points to Money. We give it here at 40.05, and as you can see, I already have one with 61, and here the minimum withdrawal amount is the same, super low. We click here on Ways Draw Cash, and we will withdraw the money here. We would simply have to enter our PayPal account. We click here on our PayPal account, and that's it. As you see, here it appears that I have just withdrawn my money. In addition, every few seconds it is updated with the new people who are withdrawing. Yes, the truth is that several people withdraw per day, and also several people complete various jobs. Here you will be able to see a little more information, the username through which they withdrew, and so on. As you see, the instant PayPal opportunity is activated after having withdrawn several times, and with this page already withdrawn $62, which is a quite convenient, safe, and reliable page with which you can earn with your surveys by answering the same thing as the previous one, because many times they repeat the surveys, but since they are different pages, there are more opportunities to win the same offers. What can I tell you? I don't like them that much, but anyway, they are ways to win. And look, here it is. Here my information has already been uploaded, and here the other people who are winning are updated referral system and contest system. The truth is that it is a very good one way to start generating. Obviously, you are not going to be a millionaire, but you will be able to get a few dollars a month depending on how much time you dedicate to it. This works for both applications such as Android or iOS, as well as simply browsing from the page. As you see, it is super good. But anyway, tell me how you thought about this new page. Leave me your comments in the description to know what you think, and great success. Remember, you have the link to the two pages in the description and in the comment posted. Until next time.